This is chicken a la king, a timeless classic with a delicious twist. Creamy, flavorful, and packed with tender chicken, smoky roasted peppers, and golden mushrooms, it's comfort food at its finest. It's the perfect balance of creamy and savory, paired with orzo pasta for a dish that's as satisfying as it is easy to make. Whether it's a weeknight dinner or a cozy weekend meal, this recipe is guaranteed to impress. Want to make it yourself? Full instructions are on our website and YouTube channel. Check it out, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and tag us when you try it.